Javier runs a franchise company with outlets spread across North America. Many of his employees are always on the move, so he wanted to provide them seamless access to the applications and data outside the main office for his distributed team. He even chose a VPN for remote access. However, soon he realized that VPN comes with its own set of issues. Being dependent on the internet, poor connectivity, or Wi-Fi signal can make accessing files extremely difficult. High latency was causing poor user experience and low productivity. Copying files from the franchised location was a nightmare, and external file sharing solutions could result in data sprawl and higher costs. Javier thought about trying out remote desktop solutions like Citrix or VMware. Still, he has found it extremely expensive to institute and maintain a remote desktop system, as it required hardware, software, ongoing maintenance, upgrades, training, and support. Fortunately, Javier came across our mobile file server access solution that solves all the file server remote access problems by providing secure data access, sharing, and synchronization without re-engineering the workflow or increasing costs. We helped Javier by leveraging existing technology and adding a mobile file access solution on top of it to provide fast and safe data access from the corporate headquarters while eliminating the need for VPN, thus saving a lot of costs while boosting efficiency. It is now your turn to provide safe and mobile access to on-premises file server shares, to your remote workforce and operations. To learn how we can help you save time, money, and increase your remote workers' productivity, book a demo today.